Whew. It is a beautiful day. There's blue sky. Last night there was rain, there's a storm, so they washed all the dirt off the sky and now it's beautiful. And bad news, the bag still stinks. So I cannot, I don't know, I will leave it in the sunlight in the afternoon when there's sunlight coming from this angle. I'll leave it in the sunlight. See what that would do. Last night somebody brought it inside, indoor, because it was raining. Instant regret. The whole apartment was stinky. And I just bought some instant noodle here. There's a Chinese one, there's a Korean one, hot chicken flavor. Can't read that. This is Hongsha Neewer Mian. It's the staple food for staple flavor for Chinese instant noodle. Like when you think about when you speak of instant noodle in China, the first flavor comes to your mind is Hongsha Neewer Mian. It's this flavor. So what is it? Roasted beef noodle. Alright, also got some snacks for my roommates. Alright, we're gonna cook this. First today we're gonna cook this. We're gonna add some other ingredients. We're gonna add some eggs and some extra vegetables. Alright, let's do it. Alright, first thing, get some water boiled. The first difference between Chinese instant noodle and the instant noodle you find here is that Chinese noodle is bigger, much more mass, much more volume. And you get multiple flavor bags instead of just one. Super zooming on the old ladies. Back to the vegetable bag. Ciao, Kamu. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Taste that the Chinese snack.
No?
It's very nice. Ciao, buongiorno. Come stai? Bene, bene. Grazie. And this is sauce. Put them all together at the same time. I think I need some more water. Alright, like that. Stir it a little bit. I need my veggie. Just one moment. Oh Lord. High quality fresh vegetables. How do I open this thing? Okay, that's enough. It looks like this. Looks like a mess. Maybe it'll turn out good. We'll see. I used to cook instant noodle with microwave, so that was something. It smells so good. Ooh. It's done. Let's eat. I'm gonna do a little test to see whether or not adding this small rig cage actually helps the stability when shooting video on the move. I learned on the internet that if you add also this handle on top of it, you can hold it like this while moving. So actually the weight pulls the camera down and makes it more stable, as opposed to holding a camera like this. You have to actually fight the gravity. We'll see. Okay, so after some test, I still think that holding the camera itself is better than holding the handle up here. Because holding up here, sometimes there's weird angle and the camera just tilts a little bit and creates a really weird shaking effect. As opposed to holding the camera itself, it's very firm and you can direct the camera very firmly, but it really depends. If you want to shoot something like moving, if you want to move like walking forward, maybe it's better, it's just more smooth. I mean, you still need the other hand to support it, so that it doesn't shake. I don't know. I think I still prefer holding the camera itself. We'll see. We'll do more testing in the future.